Okay, this is a message to the IVYT 120 80N class and also the 08N class for some tips on how to do better in the class. So let me start with some items for the 80N, the online class, because you have a discussion board. A couple of points that you need to be aware of. Number one, when you do a response in discussion board to someone else's posting, sign your name to that. Don't just put something in there and leave it blank at the end. Make sure you sign your name to it, because often when I look at them there are 3 or 4 things there and I'm not sure exactly who one belongs to and another one does not or does. So please sign your name to all of the postings you put in discussion board. We want to talk about writing reflection papers, and this is for everybody, 08N and 80N. I just sent out an example to the class about 4 reflection papers to kind of give you an idea of what they ought to look like and perhaps help you see what you are doing or not doing correctly. The first issue is you're not labeling your papers. The examples don't have labels on them because I wanted to take the names of the students off the papers. But I need to see your name on top. I need to see IVYT 120 and then either 80N or 08N. And then after that I need to see the chapter and the reflection number and the subtitle of the reflection. So for instance, it should say Chapter 3, Reflection 3, and then whatever the subtitle is, or Chapter 3, Case of Sleepless in Seattle, or Clueless in Seattle, whatever that was, and then your reflection paper. Now please pay attention to your grammar, pay attention to your spelling. Go back and reread them after you write them to make sure that they make sense, and make sure that you have a full page there. I am getting people that are sending me single-spaced, 2 or 3 sentences, and I guarantee you when you do that, you are not going to succeed in this class. So pay attention to what the examples look like, and you'll have it. Now let me give you an idea of how a reflection ought to be measured. Your name, IVYT 120 and either 08N or 80N, Chapter 3, Try It 4, and that then subtitle would be Measure Your Self-Esteem. Your name, the class, the section number, the chapter, the Try It number, and the subtitle of the Try It, in this case, Measure Your Self-Esteem. Make sure you let me know if you have any kind of a problem taking a test. I've gone in and found that people had the test in progress for 2 or 3 days. They never notified me, and then they missed the deadline for the test, and as a result, you're SOL when that happens. So make sure, as the instructions say, if you're having a problem while you're taking a test online, call me. If I'm anywhere near a computer, I can reset it for you, and we can get things underway and take care of things. Now, on the discussion boards for the online class, you're not getting all the points because you're not giving complete answers. Make sure that you note the part about responding to someone else's posting if in fact that is the case of what you're doing. Don't forget to take the exams. Make sure that you know what your fantasy name is if you didn't submit it. Some of you didn't submit a fantasy name. I assigned one to you. As a result, you don't know what your fantasy name is. As always, make sure you stay up to date with what you need to be staying up to date with. Make sure you get your assignments in. Please look at the grade sheet. As you look at the grade sheet, if you see zeros there, those are assignments I did not receive. Could be, in some cases, I'm having people send me assignments that are not saved properly. I can only open assignments that are saved in .doc, .docx, or .rtf. If you send me something that's saved in any other format, I can't open it. You will get a 0 on the assignment. If you don't correct that immediately, then that assignment 0 will stay, and I can guarantee you those zeros will kill you in this class. So make sure that you pay very, very close attention to making sure you get those assignments in. In the event you previously had a grade on the assignment, I have previously posted grade sheets. I can go in and check it. If you're in a face-to-face class, show me the grade and I can fix it. I guess that's about it. I imagine, like me, you have had more cabin fever than you care to have. You're fed up to the gills with the ice and the snow. You wonder when it will all stop, and you can't wait until July 4th gets here because at least there might be some warmth. So hang in there. It will get better, not only in the class but with the weather. And keep doing good work. Keep following the instructions. I sent out a special notice to everybody because people got a little panicked about the exams. Not all exams will happen every week. I did make a mistake on the discussion board for the online class. If you're in the online class, there is in fact a discussion board due by Monday. Please read the message I sent out. Somehow or other that got messed up. Essentially, we have two Ivy Tech calendars. One for online classes and one for face-to-face classes. And I've had a horrible problem syncing the two calendars from the two classes, one online and one face-to-face. So I have no other excuse than that. There is a discussion board. Exams will not happen every week. And when they open up, you can see them. They'll open up Monday mornings at 8 o'clock. And they'll be open until the following Sunday at 11:55 p.m. So you can look and you can see what's there. Yes, there will be for the online class a discussion board every week. And if there's not, then somebody let me know because something went wrong in the hinterlands. And other than that, keep warm. Let me know if you have any problems. As always, call me in my office. It's easier for me to discuss with you what situations you may be having. Some of you sent me email messages about the exams. I didn't understand what you were trying to tell me. Some sent things about the discussion board. It wasn't until I talked to one of you on the phone where I could look at what you were trying to tell me that I could find what it was that was wrong. So call me, talk to me. It's a lot easier to make things work. Have a good one and stay warm.